dish is very special and very popular. Any guesses? Well, it is chicken lovers as well as soup lovers' delight. It is Sweetcorn chicken soup. So let's check out the recipe. Friends, I take here a pressure cooker. We can place chicken. This is bone with chicken. 350 grams. Now we can add salt for taste. Now we can add garlic cloves. Next we can add peppercorns. Now we can add sliced onion. I take here 1 liter of water. Now we can mix it. Now we can switch on the gas. Now we can close our cooker. We can wait for 1 whistle. Friends, I take here boiled sweet corn 1 cup. We can add it. Water is according to your choice. Now we can close it. We need to blend it into a smooth paste. So let's blend it. Friends, our chicken stock is ready. Now we can open our pressure cooker. Now ready to separate our chicken and stock. Now we can take out the chicken. Friends, we need to shred our boiled chicken like this. I take here a pan. Now we can add our chicken stock into it. Next we can add sweet corn paste into it. Now we can mix it well. Now we can add shredded chicken into it. We can mix it again. Now we can add 1 cup of sweet corn. Next we can add pepper powder half teaspoon. Salt for taste. Now we can mix it well. Close the pan and cook it to 6 to 7 minutes in low flame. Now we can open our description box. Next we can add spring onion leaves. Now you can add egg white. Mix it well. Cook 2 or 3 minutes in low flame. All details in the description box. Our chicken sweet corn soup is ready. Now we can serve it into a bowl. Friends, if you want to have a chicken sweet corn soup, you don't have to go to a restaurant. You can make this delicious chicken sweet corn soup at your home. All ingredients are easily available to you. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your family. If you like my video, thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more wonderful recipes. Don't forget your suggestion and